Dear students, today this is the first class of the science, and now you will be very excited to know that this year you will have two sciences, science 1 and science 2. Science 1 and science 2, like this, two sections are there, but you have only one textbook. This is one textbook, okay, where you have 18 lessons in that textbook. Out of those 18 lessons, 9 lessons are from science 1 and 9 lessons are from science 2. Now what is science 1 and science 2? Science 1, okay, I will just tell you, for science 1 you have first 5 topics and then 11, 12, 13, 14. So first 5 and 11, 12, 13, 14, like this 9 topics are of science 1. Now what will be there in the science 1? Science 1 includes basically chemistry, that is related to the atoms, molecules. It is related to the physics. Physics is about the what is work, what is energy. You have already studied in your science in standard 8, but now this will be furthermore little bit one step more. So related to the light. Okay, so physics and chemistry. Physics is related with the physical things, related with the energies, with the work, with the laws. Okay, and chemistry, which is related with the chemical reactions, chemicals, atoms, molecules, all these things. So science will be this part. And science 2 will be related with the biology part. Now biology part means, biology part is nothing but you have biology and little bit even of the mostly you have the biology part in the science 2 this year, which is related to the living organisms. It can be plants, it can be animals. You also have certain introduction to the biotechnologies. You have even related to the microbes, which you have studied. I am saying you, it's not difficult, okay, it's not very new. You have been studying till 8, same thing. Now you will get little more exposure to the topics. So for science 2, the lesson number 6, okay, to 10 and 15 to 18, these are science 2 topics. After this I have been giving you, I have already given you detailed instructions about the portion, syllabus and the paper pattern. Okay, so you will have one notebook, 200 pages notebook. Science 1 and science 2 both you will write in one notebook only. No need to put any two separate books. What you can do is you can make 2 parts of your notebook. Okay, you can make 2 parts, 2 sections of your notebooks. First part can be for science 1, next part can be for science 2 if you want. Even if you write in continue, doesn't matter, that is not a problem. Okay, so you can continue also one after other, or you can make 2 parts, science 1 and science 2, in one notebook only and write it down. You will have 200 pages book for science. For unit test you have science 1 paper, which will be section A, section B in one paper only. You will copy down what are the question sections and you will write down the answers. But for the terms you have science 1 and science 2, 2 different papers, okay, on different days. Unit test you will have one combined paper. So now what important thing I am going to tell you is, remember it is 9 standard, the base of standard 10. You have to be very careful related to the studies. You have to do your studies on daily basis. If you are not going to study it, it will be very difficult for you next year. Already, as you know, because of this corona pandemic, everything is going on online. Okay, so we are doing our duty, we are doing our things, we are teaching you, we are making you to understand, but now we also want it from you. You have to study, you have to give us now the output whatever we are doing. Okay, so don't neglect it. Read the topics daily, whatever the subjects have been to. Okay, so now let's see what about the paper pattern, syllabus and the portion. This is the index page of your science. Now, even though you have science 1 and science 2, but the textbook for standard 9th you have same. Okay, that means there are, you can see, 18 topics. These 18 topics, they are divided into science 1 and science 2. Okay, so from this we'll see, I will just read out the topics. First is laws of motion, second is work and energy, third is current electricity, fourth is measurement of matter, and fifth is acids, bases, salts. See, now this first 5 topics are of science 1. See, lesson number 1 to 5 is science 1. Then lesson number 6 to 10 is science 2. That is classification of plants, energy flow in an ecosystem, useful and harmful microbes, environmental management, and information communication and technology. This first 10, lesson number 6 to 10, these are science 2. As I said, science 2 is based on the biology. So those lesson number 1 to 9 will be there for the first term. Then for your second term you will have the remaining, where 11, 12, 13, 14. 11th is reflection of light, 12 is study of sound, carbon and important elements, substances in common use. These 4 topics, they are for science 1. And 15, 16, 17, 18. Life processes in living organisms, hereditary and variation, introduction to biotechnology, and observing space, telescope. This is on based on science 2. So you will have the exams science 1 and science 2. Okay, I will tell you later on, but still again, for the unit test you will have same portion. Unit test you will have same paper, term you will have different papers, science 1 and science 2, but for unit test you will have one paper only. So let's see now the paper pattern and all. So let's see portion. As I had told, for your first unit test for science 1, now whatever I am talking is related to science 1. Teacher Siddhi will be taking your science 2, and she will inform you time to time what are the topics. Now I am telling you about science 1. First unit test, you will have 3 topics. First is laws of motion, second one work and energy, and third is current electricity. And first term you will have first 3 topics which are already there for the unit test, and then the next 2, that is fourth, measurement of matter, acids, bases, and salts. So these 5 topics are there for science 1 for your first term. Remember this. Now your exam, as I said, first unit test you will have a combined paper. You will have, in that combined paper, you will have section A and section B. Section A will be science 1, section 2, science 2 will be section B. So science 1 will be 10 marks, science 2 will be 10 marks. That means A section science 1 10 marks, B section science 2, 10 marks. So you will have 20 marks total. This total 20 marks, remember, you will have in one paper only, where it will be like how you have history and civics, so like that it will be science 1 and science 2 in the same paper. At the same time you have to solve. First term you will have separate papers of science 1 and science 2. Science 1 written 40 marks, 10 marks practical, 50 marks. Similarly for science 2 you will have 40 marks written, 10 marks practical, total 50 marks. These two will be separate papers for your first term. Okay, now the paper pattern. As I said, this is the paper pattern of the first term. Your unit test paper pattern I will let you know afterwards, depending on the mode of exam, that is online or offline. So but this is the first term exam paper pattern which I am giving. This is same as per what you have for your paper pattern for the first term. Choose the correct alternative for each of the following. There will be 5 MCQs, 1 mark each. Question number 1 will be do as directed, which will be also 5 marks. In this do as directed, it can be fill in the blanks without the options, or it can be the true or false, then it can be odd man out, it can be correlation, example, one word, anything can be there which will be in the 5 marks questions. Okay, so you have to be very you have to learn all your 1 mark objectives. Question number 2A will be scientific reasons. You have to answer any 2 marks each. Question number 2B, answer any 3 of the following sub questions. There will be 3 questions, 2 marks again each. Here in this there can be word problems, it can be distinguish, it can be short note. So there will be no questions saying write distinguish between or like that separately. In this only it can be anything, it can be. So no one will ask me during exams whether distinguish between is there, whether problems are there. You will have problems in science this year. You had last year also, this year also you will have it. So 3 questions, 2 marks each. Answer any 5 of the following sub questions, 3 marks each, so 15 marks. And the question number 4, that we will have 5 marks. Answer any 1 of the following sub questions. So this is, you are clear with your first term paper pattern. Same will be for your final exam. So I think you are clear with everything now. You will not have any doubts. Even in case, obviously as we go, I will go on reminding you what are the important things. So thank you and God bless you.